winds are howling. 25 to 35, gust to 40, 45. We've pulled ourselves up on a, you okay? Huh? I hope this boat doesn't leave the sandbar. It is blowing. I mean blowing. Don't go any further. I can't even stand up. Yeah, we're beached. This was your idea. I said it's too windy. You said let's go fishing. We're the only boat on the whole river. What have you caught today so far? A pike? Oh, a rock bass?
Yeah, and a pike.
Okay. Alrighty then. Alright.
What have you caught today?
Nothing.
What have you caught?
What? I think you ought to get back in the boat before this thing leaves and... Oh! Did you see that? Yes. Okie doke. Signing off.